not even recording.
Okay.
Oh, so we just took a Tucson for a test drive, Hyundai Tucson, 2023 limited trim line. That was like the top of the line trim line. And Tara's thoughts on that are?
I really like it.
Yeah.
I think it's great. I'm very impressed with all the features. I think that we can make the payments. I don't think it's too far out of our reach. I love the warranty, extended warranty automatically. It's 5 and 10, which I think is great. Based because of prior experience with vehicles and warranties. That for me is a big deal.
So extending it out to 5 years instead of the basic like 3-year warranty,
Yeah.
which most other companies have 2 to 3 years. Like you know, like Toyota has Toyota Care for 2 years and then 3-year warranty, but then
Right.
they're done pretty much.
Right.
The powertrain's 5 years. But so the difference between that. So talking about the Tucson, it's the limited. It's the highest trim model. It has sunroof. It has power sunroof. It has moonroof, etc. Blah blah blah. It has heated seats, heated mirrors. It has all kinds of features I haven't even seen yet. It has cameras off each like mirror. It has cameras in the front and back. It has an all-around view, which is like you have a drone sitting over top of your head. It has this really amazing feature where you can walk the car. You're outside it. You can use the remote to like make the car move up to 10 feet away from you. That's bizarre. What about the hatch? So there's a lot of storage in the back.
A lot of storage. It's the right levels for getting in and out for my body to the seat, but also for unloading things from storage. Like I like to be able to load instead of having to stick it in a low trunk and then pull it out.
Yeah.
Everything is like
Level.
chest level
Chest
and
height.
waist level, you know, and midriff level, so that I can get my buggy out, pull my bags out, put it right into my buggy.
There also is a setting for the hatch. As the hatch flips up, you can set it to stop at a certain point. So say you were in like a, you can't reach it. Or say you are in a garage that like you don't want it to hit the top of your garage. You can set it that. The other thing with that was, what was the other thing? There was something about the hatch.
You can set it.
Yeah, we said that.
Oh, the seats move down.
Yeah, the seats move down.
Like they fold
Oh,
down.
the gas door, the gas cap door locks. So that's cool. Because like on our Ford, it doesn't do that. It's just sitting there. Anybody could like siphon out the gas. Not that has ever happened, but you know, it's just something to think about. And then there's one other thing there that was really cool you showed us, and now I can't remember.
The car walking and the remote starter.
Yeah, it's remote start.
The walking part I could care less, but like the remote starter
Yeah.
is awesome.
Yeah, but most cars have that. We usually aren't used to that because we got the lower end car for the automatic, but we also got stick shift, and you never have them on stick shifts because that's the parking gear, so that you don't want a remote starter because you'll mess up your car. But yeah, we didn't even turn the stereo on. It has touch screen. It has, the only thing is the Apple CarPlay and the Android CarPlay, you got to plug your phone in. There's a cord. So like sometimes you don't have to do that. Like on the Toyota, I don't think you have to do that. I know on Sean's Nissan you have to do, or yeah, you have to do it on his Nissan. Or no, his Mazda. It
doesn't bother me.
It doesn't bother me that much. There's wireless charging for your phone, so you throw your phone down, it automatically starts charging.
Really?
Yeah, that's what he said. We didn't even turn on the stereo. I know at that level, I'm pretty sure it's like an 8-speaker surround. We didn't even try that. Because we were listening for car noise. The cabin noise, I didn't see there was much cabin noise. So
It's a pretty high-tech vehicle. I really like it.
yeah.
I'm curious to see what the Toyota next level up that we didn't test drive.
Right.
Is like, I want to compare the two of them.
Right, because what we did was at first about a month ago, or a month and a half ago now, we test drove a Toyota RAV4, but it was the LE, which is the lowest trim package, and it was impressive. We really liked it. We liked the visibility, the room, everything. But we were looking at like the XLE version, which is like the middle version, the next step up. which has the heated seats, the heated steering wheel, the heated mirrors, and all that stuff. But it doesn't have the moonroof. It doesn't have all this stuff. Now, for this, I'm pretty sure it's about the same price, about $40,000 for the trim package on the RAV4 that has the moonroof and does all that stuff. But I don't know if it has the cameras. We'll have to look. I'll have to look at that again. You know, so.
And the warranty is shorter.
And the warranty is definitely shorter, but it is a Toyota. And so, like, they're known for, like, you know, not needing a lot of maintenance. But, you know, I don't know. So, it's interesting. Also, the on the Toyota, the tailgate has an automatic thing. So you can just automatically have it open and close, which is kind of cool. I don't think the Tucson had that.
Yeah.
Plus, the lines on they both are good-looking cars. There's no doubt about that. But there's just little subtle differences in the way they look.
Tucson's bigger.
The Tucson's probably bigger, yeah.
A little bit bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger. And I have to check the stats on that. And then the color that the car comes in. So, like, the Tucson has this pretty cool, like, gray that's, like, greenish gray almost. Very subtly green. And it's dark. It's kind of cool. Nobody has any red cars. There's a blue, but it's got a white interior. We do not want a white interior.
White interiors suck.
And I have been having trouble with the Toyota dealerships being able to match the black interior with the red. And then they're also telling me they're not available for 2 months. Now, the Tucson that we test drove today is available, obviously. The one that he pulled up with that green, that's available today. For what we want in the XLE, like trim package for the Toyota, you got to wait. Now, I don't know about the limited. Maybe they have limiteds laying around because nobody's buying them. So we'll have to see. But we're going to call the Toyota dealership, and when we do that, we'll do a test drive, and we'll do another video and tell you all about it. So if you have any questions, let me know. And if you guys have comments, if you know the answers to the questions that we still have, put them in there. Thanks, Tara.
Thank you.
She's busy right now, but
I'm listening to you.
it's all good. So
I'm here. I'm
we're
here
good.
for you.
I know you are. You're always here for me. All right. We'll see you all in the next one. Thanks.